Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Come take a look at this. So same thing as on the other side. This is cracking and the nails broke and tore through it. So I'm gonna have to create a new spot to put these nails on the old shingle that was previously undamaged. But that's what we gotta do for now. Nail, please. Thank you. Thank you. Nail, please. Thank you. Look at that, same thing. See that right here? And the old nail head came right through whenever I was removing the previously damaged shingle, and this one was not damaged. Now it is, so I'm gonna have to put the nail head next to it instead because it won't hold in that same spot. Yeah, please, thank you. Oh, I already had one. That works. Thank you. Okay. Well, repair attempt complete. Unfortunately, there's no new damage on the shingle above the one that we replaced. So if we keep doing more repairs, it's just going to cause more damage. This roof is not in a repairable state. It needs to be replaced. I'm going to put this tarp back over where it was covering with this other damage here. Moved it out of the way to make sure that didn't tear it up. So we're going to finish up here and that's it. Wrap it up.